It's been over 20 days since the central government, keeping in mind the severe drought situation, extended the midday meals to summer vacations in 9 states, including Maharashtra. A budget of Rs 726.34 crores has been sanctioned for the vacation meal, of which a little above Rs 46 crores has been allocated to Maharashtra. Aside from the fact that the budget sanctions for the vacation meal is coming a tad too late with the vacations nearly ending, the implementation still hasn't begun in several parts of the state. 45 kilometers outside of Osmanabad city, the residents of Daroda village dread the summer vacations as it means feeding one extra person, one additional meal each day, more if there is more than one child at home.
The midday meal can be of big help. From the 25 kilogram, 5 kilogram per person that we get from the ration shop, saving the 3 lunches from 3 of my kids each day makes a lot of difference. Especially now, since landless laborers like us have no work due to the drought.
In Hasegar village in Osmanabad's Kalam Taluka, all the rooms in the Zilla Parishad primary school have been locked for weeks, and there's absolutely no sign of midday meals being cooked or served. In Nagulgaon, the village a little ahead of Hasegar, the situation is the same.
The midday meal stopped in May. I used to cook the meals till April. I did hear something about the scheme being extended to vacations, but nothing has been communicated to me by my bosses.
Meanwhile, the Karnataka state government, despite the state not being as badly affected as Maharashtra, decided to serve midday meals to children in drought affected districts during summer vacations, public holidays, and the weekends last year, much before the centre decided to extend the scheme.
Vacation midday meals started last year when the drought became severe. This year, it was actioned on April 11th. The children come to school as early as 8 am, they play outside for a while, then they sit inside the class and listen to stories from teachers and then eat.
While there's not much time left, Maharashtra might want to take cue from the neighbouring state and address the situation that's running completely out of hand.